So these are the things that you learn on Instagram. So what I'm trying to do here is really send these how do you call these things? I don't know, but it's to seal the water lines so no water gets behind. Alright, so I had this one here and I had an extra one and I put it up there, but now I have nothing for this here. So what I'm doing is I'm using these and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put, this is the wedi band, so this will definitely do the work. I'm gonna put this here and I'm gonna try do something for this as well.